they're going to be responsible for solving the problems of the future. One of the biggest issues today is global warming. We're used to hearing politicians and activists constantly discuss global warming on the news and television, but ultimately, it'll be the engineers that really solve the problem. Global warming is caused when we burn fossil fuels and CO2 is released in the atmosphere. Our natural atmosphere is mostly made up of oxygen and nitrogen, which don't absorb ultraviolet light. But CO2 absorbs ultraviolet light, so it can't escape the atmosphere and heats up the Earth more than it normally would be without the absence of the CO2. Engineers are working to save this by finding more efficient ways to burn fossil fuels and also by finding other cleaner sources of energy. Another issue is the energy crisis. Currently, our main source of energy comes from the burning of fossil fuels. However, fossil fuels are not a renewable source of energy, so we will eventually run out. We need to find a source of energy that will be constant. One of the ways that we might be able to find one of these sources of energy in the future will be nuclear power. Currently, we have nuclear power plants that work today. However, they use an element that is not very abundant on the Earth. Hopefully, in the future, we'll be able to use nuclear power plants that have cold fusion. Engineers are currently working on the technology to use cold fusion. Hopefully, someday, we'll have clean burning energy that is a renewable source.
Hey, Kevin, what do you think about that discussion about engineers having a positive impact on society?
Well, Will, I'm just really glad that everybody knows how important engineers are.
Yeah. Engineers are